as you can see how it is Istanbul. From this place you go to from European area to Asian area. As you can see, this is the rooftop, how does it look like. So this is the rooftop. It is something very nice. Very, very, very nice. Wow. See? Very. Wow. See? Very, very nice. So from here,
we would like to remind you that smoking is
very,
prohibited
very,
indoor and
very
outdoor
nice.
areas of the vessel in accordance with the relevant law. We wish you a nice day.
as you can see, so during the summertime you can have a sit here and you can see like open area place and you can see this beauty of Istanbul and Turkey. It's very, very nice. Terrace, it is 2 floors and it's something very nice. So very, very nice. See, very, very, very nice. Wow. So you see how it look like? Very, very nice. So when you take this ship, there is 4 floors, 2 for entrance and 2 indoor. So from here you see it's a lot of huge but very, very nice. So this is the first floor and from here this is the first floor. So whatever you like it, so you can sit doing the rain, you can stay indoor, and the main part will be in the first floor. So if you need to buy any drink or anything, so you can buy from here, and really very, very nice.